If you're an AI Matterport certified contractor or claims professional, the only way to get up to date and renew your certification is to take the AIMC Continuing Education course. To get started, go to getinsights.org and sign in under your account. Go to the Actionable Academy tab and click on AIMC Continuing Education. To purchase the course, scroll down and click on the Register button. Then select Add to Cart. When you're ready to check out, select View Cart. Confirm your product selection and click Proceed to Checkout. Enter your payment information, accept the terms and conditions, and place your order. Congratulations! You're now ready to refresh your mastery of Matterport. After purchasing the AIMC CE course and ensuring you're still signed in at getinsights.org, you can access the course by going to the Actionable Academy tab and select Go to Academy. Click Get Started to begin the AIMC Continuing Education course and renew your designation.